Y'all built up the brand and then you're gonna put your thing down, flip it, and reverse it on us? Like, If the hairline is not good on the unit, then I don't want it, because I'm not putting that additional work into it unless I'm getting it in your unit. Like, sorry. Sorry, not sorry, but that's just how I feel.
When I grow, I boldly grow, and time pass, and thoughts of perfect, they will replace all the light.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a newer unit. This one is from the Sensational What Lace collection. I'm wearing it in the style AZIZA 26 inch in the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come with an elastic band that is not adjustable. It does come with 13x6 HD lace. It says that it's pre-plucked, but girl, it is not pre-plucked. So let me just come in and show you guys this hairline. Honey, this hairline, I don't think I'm being too anal at all. This hairline is not doing anything for me. And as y'all can see, I did do a half up, half down style because initially it does come with a predefined middle part, and I was gonna just leave it. But I feel like y'all need to really see what is going on with this hairline because, like, girl, I'm not being anal. Like, this definitely needs to be plucked more. Like, what is going on here? Even their butter lace units come more plucked than this 13x6 frontal, honey. Like, girl, who did it and ran? Why? Where? Like, Like I said, I just did the style to give you guys something different and cute, and to also not throw no shade, not hide the hairline. I just want you guys to see what you're getting yourself into if you get this unit. I possibly would wear it out in the middle part with a hat, but that's going to be it. It is 13x6, so you can go in and pluck, but I am not trying to do that. I'll show you guys the length. Like I said on the stock card, it's 26 inches. I'm 5'3" for reference, and as you can see, it does come about just below my boobs. The texture on this hair is definitely leaning more towards silky. I did get some tangling. I did get some shedding. It wasn't anything too crazy like that. The quality of the hair seems pretty okay, but just based on the fact that it's more silky and a very, very light yaki, I definitely would say that this is going to be a special occasion unit. I would not say that this is going to be an everyday unit, girl. As far as the density is, like, nice, y'all. It's at least 150% density. It's kind of sitting on more along the Va Va Voom vibes, which I do like. As far as as the cap size is concerned on this one, it's definitely coming off small and medium head friendly, girl. I would not say this is big head friendly. Like I said, it does have that elastic band in there, and I do feel that I'm taking advantage of that. I haven't adjusted the straps or anything like that at all. My head is about 22 to 22 and a half inches in circumference, and it is just fitting me. I was able to kind of secure the size down some, but I feel like if this cap was any smaller, I would not be able to do that. So definitely keep in mind, y'all, if you do have a larger size head, you probably won't be able to take advantage of the ear-to-ear lace. The cap doesn't really have a lot of stretch, so I definitely would be wary if your head is any bit bigger than 22 and a half inches. Okay, so the stock card does not say that it is heat safe, but it does say that it's human hair blend. So I did go in with my hot comb and to just try to slick the hairline back some to see what I was working with, and I was not happy with what I was working with. But nonetheless, when I did go in with the hot comb to just like slick it back or whatever, I didn't notice anything crazy. So I feel like you are good to go in with heat if you feel the need to. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con, honey, the hairline. What are we doing? Like, what are we doing? The hairline is like, y'all just went completely back to basics. We went 10 years into the past and just started from scratch all over again. No, honey, no. Y'all built up the work, y'all built up the brand, and then you're gonna put your thing down, flip it, and reverse it on us? Like, I'm not here for the hairline, honey. I wish it was more plucked. That's honestly my only issue, but I feel like it's such a big issue because, like, this unit, it could have been super pretty. This is giving, like, model. This is giving, like, birthday hair. It's giving vacation hair if the hairline was where it needed to be. I think it's one thing to put work into a human hair unit because you're going to get it to last long, whatever. It's nothing to really go in and pluck out a human hair unit to bleach the knots and all this other stuff because you're going to get it to last a good amount of time. Do you dig what I'm saying? So I feel like if you're picking up a synthetic unit, you don't want to have to do all that. Like, girl, for the price? So that's my number one con, and I feel like for me personally, that's a big con. If the hairline is not good on the unit, then I don't want it because I'm not putting that additional work into it unless I'm getting a human hair unit. Like, sorry, not sorry, but that's just how I feel. So let me just pop into the pros, I guess. The pros are, I feel like this is beautiful. This curl pattern is beautiful. It's very glam vibes. The look is really pretty. I mean, from a distance, you'd be like, oh, she's that girl. And then you get up and you'd be like, she ain't that girl. It ain't her. But I can't knock them for the fact that the curls are very pretty. These waves, this body wave vibe that's going on, the length, the density, the quality of the hair seeming pretty good. So what I would say as a whole is if you don't mind putting the work in, then this unit, I don't think you'll necessarily be disappointed. Because if you're willing to put that work in and pluck out the hairline, then I feel like you'll be happy with it. But if you're somebody like me that's looking for a lazy hair girl that just wants to throw it on and go and not look too crazy, this ain't going to be for you, girl. It ain't going to be for you. And that's just the real tea. So that's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.